What's up everyone? So once again we're back with another video where we're going to cook some traditional Filipino dishes. In today's video we're going to be cooking fish sinigang, which is a kind of a fish vegetable soup. Looks really delicious, and we're going to be cooking with a fish called bangus. So I think the Filipinos call this dish sinigang na bangus.
And today we also decided to try Filipino garlic fried rice. I think it's called SINANGAG.
That's almost like the same name as the soup. Sinigang.
Yeah, well, for us it's similar because we don't know their language, but I bet for them it's very different. So we'll be doing that instead of the Brazilian rice, but since there's garlic, I think we're gonna like it anyway.
Yeah. We have all the ingredients here. So we got this sinigang mix here. 4 packets of those. I'm not sure how many we're gonna use yet. We got the okra, onions, garlic. We got snake beans, 2 green chili peppers, 3 tomatoes. And here we have kangkong leaves, which in English I think we say watercress. And one thing I need to show you is, check this out. So I had to throw all these leaves away because they've all gone bad already. So here in El Nido in the market, the fruit and vegetables are all organic. So even though I bought them 2 days ago, you got to cook stuff very quickly because it goes bad. Obviously we love that it's organic because it's a lot more healthier. And we do put some stuff in the fridge to preserve it more, but we only have a small fridge, so yeah, some stuff does go bad, and we just gotta try and make the most of it, and yeah, kind of cook quickly because pretty much after 3 or 4 days, the majority of the vegetables aren't really that good to cook with anymore. And I forgot to also mention we have fish sauce here, and also soy sauce and some calamansis. I know that sometimes you guys mix soy sauce with calamansi to throw on the rice, and we're probably gonna make some juice as well. Some nice calamansi juice. So first we're gonna cook the rice now, boil it, and then I think at the end we'll come back to it, right, and mix.
Yeah, fry the garlic and put the garlic in the rice.
Yeah, we'll do that at the end though. And now I'm gonna slice this bangus up. So if you watched the last video for the fish adobo, I'm gonna cut it the exact same way. So I'll just cut it into about 5 pieces, and yeah, it should be good to go. Rice is boiled and ready now. I finished cutting the bangus, so that's ready for later. And now we're just gonna prepare all the vegetables. Carol's gonna start cutting them up. So I think the recipe we saw said that, I think, how many pieces? 12? 12 2-inch pieces.
We don't know, it's not clear in the recipe.
We can just put however much we want.
Yeah, probably more than this.
More?
Yeah.
Okay,
more.
I'll clean some more over there. That's another thing about this dish. We saw about 4 or 5 different sites with different recipes, and pretty much every single one was completely different. Different fish, different vegetables, so I think you can kind of do it with whatever fish you want, and yeah, just whatever vegetables you like. So we just chose one of the recipes that we thought would be good, and that's what we're going along with. I'm pretty sure you Filipinos will have this a bit differently with different food, but yeah, this is what we're going for. Carol's turn to cry. That means it's a good onion.
Yes.
Super strong. Revenge is sweet.
So now the video is gonna be foreigners cry to Filipino food.
Yeah, because of onions. Finished cutting all the veggies for the soup now. Look how delicious all this looks. Beautiful. Time to get cooking the soup then, I guess. We can start.
Yes.
Alright, let's do it. So the recipe that we're looking at told us to put 2 liters of water. And we don't really have anything to measure it, but yeah, we're just gonna try and wing it. Hopefully we put in the right amount, about 4 big cups.
So now we're gonna put the onions and tomatoes.
And then we're just gonna wait for it to start boiling, and then we can put some of the other ingredients in. So now we're going to put the BANGUS in there. And once I put it in there, we're gonna cover it and leave it for 8 to 12 minutes to cook the fish. So make sure I don't burn myself. Yeah, now we'll cover it up.
Now we're gonna put this sinigang mix, and then we have to wait another 2 minutes before we put the other vegetables.
Yeah, and the recipe we're checking said to put 40 grams in, and each of these has 11 grams, so we're just gonna put all 4 in, I think, right?
Yeah, because I think there's a big package with 40
grams. Yeah.
So we only found these
small ones. So look at that now. Now it's got like a brown color. Smells great after we put that powder mix in there. So yeah, 2 more minutes and then we'll put the rest in. There we go. Just stir this up here, mix it all together.
Now we're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. This is something that I've never seen before, in Brazil or in the US.
Smells a bit weird, right?
Yes.
Very, very strong smell.
Yeah, it's very strong.
And then we also need to add some of the pepper. 1 tablespoon, yeah?
1 teaspoon.
Oh, teaspoon. So I'll just stir all that together. It's looking good. I'm thinking that we're doing a good job. And now that that's stirred, last but not least, we put the kangkong leaves in there. And then we just have to turn it off now. Yeah, just let that sit like that for 5 minutes.
Stir. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna be peeling the garlic, and then we're gonna prepare the garlic rice.
Yep. I'm gonna make the soy sauce and calamansi mix. I think I can just squeeze 2 calamansis into a cup of soy sauce.
So I have grated the garlic, and I'm gonna fry it here in this fry pan, and then I'm gonna fry the rice and put them together. So I read that we gotta be careful with the garlic, because we don't want them to go too dark. So we gotta be careful with the temperature. So now that we have finished frying the rice, we're gonna kind of sprinkle the garlic on top of it.
So we have the daily basketball game going on again, just like every day here. And we don't really have proper soup bowls. Carol's gonna use that. I'm gonna use this smaller one here. And we also don't have a soup spoon, right?
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna scoop the soup up with this cup. We'll work it out.
I'm gonna get the vegetables first, and the fish, and then I'll get the soup.
So can't wait to eat this. From the appearance, it really does look like it's the real deal. This is how it looked when I ate it last time in a restaurant. So let's see if ours tastes similar.
Okay, so should I put the sauce here?
Yeah, I think so. No, on top of the rice.
On top. Okay.
Yeah.
Get a piece of fish. It tastes very good. It's very strong, the flavor. I don't know, it's kind of sour.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a sour dish, right?
But it's very good, yeah.
Like when you're tasting it, can you taste more the vegetables or the soup? The actual like
I
juice?
think the fish, there's a fish taste, and the soup taste is just different. I don't know. I've never tried anything like that before in Brazil or in the US. It's very different.
You're gonna try the rice. Hopefully my soy sauce is good.
It's good, yeah. The rice, it's good, but I think the sauce is too strong for me. Maybe we need to put some water on it.
Yeah, I didn't put any water. Only soy sauce and calamansi.
The rice, yeah, it's good. I like it.
I'm not sure as well if you can put the rice into the soup. I think we saw some pictures of rice within the soup as well, but we're eating it separately. Yeah, the soy sauce is very strong, like Carol said. Still not bad, but very, very strong. Yeah, but the like Filipino style garlic and stuff, very nice. Rooster also approves. Let me try these veggies. I need to avoid that green pepper.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm loving the juice, yeah. Yeah, that's really tasty. Let me try and get some fish. Yeah, really delicious. I think I said in the last video with the fish adobo about the explosion of flavor. This is no different. Might even be more flavor than the adobo because you have all the mixture of vegetables and stuff. So yeah, we did cook it because we know we already like this dish. I was just unsure if we were going to be able to cook it correctly. But yeah, the taste seems to be pretty much the same as what we had in Sibuyan. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah, I love it too. And I would definitely cook this at home when we come back to home.
So we killed it. It does leave a very sour taste though, right?
Yeah, it's very strong.
It'd be nice to have a sweet dessert. after it.
Yeah, we're planning on making some desserts videos.
Yeah, Filipino desserts.
Yeah, Filipino desserts.
There's some interesting ones. So that's the end of another food video. Me and Carol probably think that's our #1 dish out of the 3 that we've cooked so far. Kind of hard to choose between the fish adobo and that. Probably depends what you're looking for, because the fish adobo, ours was a bit sweet because we added sugar, and this is a sour dish. So yeah, it completely depends on what you're craving. I think I'm gonna have to have a Coca-Cola now, something sweet, since we don't have dessert, but enjoyed it either way. And it's been cool. We've had some foreigners even showing us pictures that they're trying to cook the stuff that we've been cooking. So we had one that sent us her pancit bihon, and it looked really good as well. So yeah, it's pretty funny that other people are trying to cook the stuff that we're showing. And that's kind of why we're going into more detail on how many ingredients we're using and the timing and stuff. It might make the video drag on a little bit more, but yeah, at least people will know how to cook these dishes at home if they want. That's if they can get all the ingredients. So hopefully you enjoyed it. As always, just drop a like on this video to help support us. We're going to be making more videos like this. There's a lot more food recipes to make still. Subscribe to this channel if you like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram if you want to see what we're doing in real time, and we'll see you in the next one.